Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pick a place on the way. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna go, 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 go. Where you wanna.
And I roll the end of the wire up because I'm going to do it as if I'm going to bead a bead. So I'm going to put the wire on the bead. It'll be like this. I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to turn the wire, bend the wire over, and I'm going to start wrapping it like so. The wire is kind of long, so I need to. So I'm going to just wrap it around the bead, and you can see how it is right here. And I'm going to keep wrapping it, but making sure that it's flat as I wrap it. Because you can wrap it, and what will happen is the wire will begin to go under the wire. That's not what you want. You want the wire to just lay flat against the bead. So all I'm doing is using my thumb, pressing the wire down as I wrap around so that it'll stay flat. And I'm holding it with this hand and then wrapping like what you see, nice and just flat on it. And I'm going to just keep wrapping. And I'm going to wrap this entire piece of wire around here like so. And I'm going to take my pliers and just push the edge of it right here all the way down against the bead because I want it absolutely flat. So then I'm going to take my pliers, I'm going to clip the bottom off, that little round part, and slide it off, meaning the wire off of the bead. And then what I'm going to do is look at the top up here to see where I can clip it good. And I want to clip it right. Might have to pull the wire away a little bit. And I want to clip it right around here. Because I just want to take that top part off like that. And now I have that. And I can still push this down. But what I'm going to do is you see how it's, you could even use this if you wanted to for, you guys call them bead caps. You could even use it for that if you want to. Well, this is basically a bead cap. Those other little round things I'll be doing, I call them accents, but this is really kind of like a bead cap. So you could even do it like this if you wanted to for any size bead. Oh, I don't have another one. I'm gonna do it on the other one too, but you can do it like this and it'll be like that. And then put the other one on the other side. But for me, so I have this, I'm going to take my two fingers and press it together. And when I press it together, this is what I get. I literally flattened it. So I want to make sure that little part, that little extra part, I'm going to bend it inward a little bit. And I'm going to bend it under one of the wires. So almost like it's hidden. So it's under the wire. And it's like a nice flat spacer. So I'm going to show you. So this is like a nice flat spacer. And my plan is to take the spacers, all the ones that I'm making, and I'm going to marry them together to create something absolutely amazing because I see it already, you know, what it's going to look like. So I want to take, and I'm just showing you how they'll stack together. So I could either make this like a bracelet, or I'm planning to use it for a necklace. So let's just keep stacking. And we'll put another one. And then we got this one. and then this one. And then you can see, it gives you an idea about like what it'll look like when these are all stacked together. And then let's say maybe if you got a bead on the end, not this bead, you know, but like some type of bead. I don't know what I'm gonna use yet. And then if I have like maybe something like this, and I'm going to take it all the way around with these spacers. So no matter what I make, I'm going to use spacers like this at least 4 times around the necklace. And I don't know what beads I'm going to use yet, but I am going to use something. And I'm going to come back and show you guys, you know, whatever it is that I make. And I probably will videotape whatever I'm making. But these are the spacers. And just that easy, just that simple. And I'm going to do another one because I'm doing them in, I'm doing 2 each for the color. I thought I cut this already. So I'm going to take another piece of wire and I'm going to just cut it about right there. I'm going to roll the end of it with the pliers just to close it off so it'll prevent the bead from falling off. I'm going to bead the bead on the wire. This is what it will look like. I'm going to fold the wire over or bend it over and then start wrapping like so. And then just wrapping around the top. And then taking my thumb as I'm wrapping, and I'm going to just keep the wire flat with my thumb because I want the wire flat on the bead. I don't want the wire to go under the bead. Because as you roll it and it goes under the bead, it tends to, it'll be like stacking like thick instead of, you know, like spread out like this. You won't be able to make it flat. So I'm rolling it, rolling it, rolling it, and then using my thumb to hold it and still wrapping. And you can see what it looks like. And then wrapping it, wrapping, 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 and wrapping. And then I'm going to take the pliers and fold it, just press it against the bead because I want it to be flat as I can get it. And then I'm going to take my little pliers, I'm going to clip it right here, take the bead off, and I got this part, and I was looking in the inside because sometimes a couple of them I was able to go into the inside and clip it, and I think I can do that with this one too. Let's see. No, it's not going to let me. So I need to just pull it apart a little bit like that, and then take my pliers and then clip it about right there. And then that part comes out. And we got this part. And this is what it looks like. And again, if you wanted to, you can use it as a bead cap. Just making sure to make sure the ends are bent inward some type of way. And even on this end, bent in some type of way. And then you can use it as a bead cap. That'll be pretty. But for me, I'm going to take it, put my fingers right here. And what I'm doing is I'm taking this finger and I'm squeezing it against this part and the top. And I'm going to just squeeze it like so. And then I have another spacer. And then I'm going to press this under because I want that hidden under the wire like so. And then we have another spacer. So we just did 2 spacers that I'm going to be using for either a necklace or for bracelet. And as I begin to as I begin to make things, I will see which one they look the best on. If it's on the necklaces, I can see these on necklaces though. These are going to be amazing. And then I got some, I might even paint some beads that are these colors and do something like that. But I want something bright. I'm not really sure what yet, but I am going to do something. I don't know what beads. I might even order some beads, you know, to do these with. But there you go. These are all spacers that I'm getting ready to use. And I made these from this wire that I bought today. I've already used some of them right here. So, and I like the wire. It's the right thickness. I mean, I can do a lot with this already. I can already see it. But these are spacers. So we on to a good start with these babies. Let me know, you guys plan on making any of these? And if you make them, what are you going to use them for? Like necklaces, earrings. These would be good for earrings too. Because this could maybe be the bottom and then maybe like a big jump ring or something going through. But some way, somehow, or if they're made like this and then a part of it, you know, the wire is long and then kind of wiggled and then got the round part at the bottom or something. But I'm going to come up with something. Yeah, I like this. I like these. They come out really nice. But anyway, I will come back with whatever I decide to make out of these spacers and, you know, let you guys see. I'll try to create it on video as opposed to making it and then bringing the video, you know, just videotaping the finished product.